Hello guys, welcome to the chapter IGTV. In this lesson, we're going to talk about an introduction to IGTV. IGTV allows users to upload 1-minute to 10-minute videos on their IGTV account. It's a standalone app, but you can also view it using your Instagram mobile app. Longer videos can entertain your viewers more, making them engage with your content. IGTV is different from video search engines like YouTube and Vimeo. Most of the videos on these platforms are uploaded in a landscape form. IGTV is unique in requiring people to upload videos that are in portrait mode. It makes it easier for people who are capturing videos using their mobile phones to record videos the same way that they are holding their mobile phones. It is made to be viewed on mobile phones that are usually used with one hand. It lessens the burden of switching your mobile into a landscape mode just to watch videos. When you browse the IGTV app, you can use it to watch videos like you're watching your television. When you open the IGTV app, tons of videos are available for you to watch. You can already watch a video that is currently playing once you open the IGTV app. When you scroll down, you will see cover images of videos you are interested in, videos from the people you follow, and videos that are trending now. When you click a video, you can see the number of views and comments per video. You can also like the video, comment, and share the video. When you browse and select videos on IGTV, you can see the Up Next button. When you click on it, you'll see more videos from the same user and videos from other users related to this video. You can also share a video on your story and to the people you follow as well. If you add it to your story, you can add more stickers and hashtags here. When people see your story, the sticker tap here adds a call to action to your viewers to view this IGTV, and you'll get more traffic to your IGTV channel. If you want to upload a longer video on Instagram, IGTV is the best way to upload it. Use your mobile app, then click the plus icon and choose the video that you want to upload. Remember that you can upload a minimum of 1-minute video up to a 10-minute video. Select a cover image from your video, or you can add a different image from your gallery. Then click Next. Add a title, an optional description with hashtags, and an optional feature to make it visible on your Facebook page. Then click Post. Once your video is uploaded, you will see this pop-up window so that you can share this video to your story or just copy the link. Now that you have learned an introduction about IGTV, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is how IGTV can benefit your brand. IGTV allows users to view longer videos from the people they follow and videos similar to their interests. These videos will stay on your channel for a long time, so you need to plan on what videos you should upload to make it more valuable to your viewers. IGTV can help you increase brand awareness. People can discover your brand more when you link your IGTV content on your stories, creating more traffic to your IGTV channel. People who discover your brand can follow you if they are interested in your content, so make sure that your IGTV videos are valuable to your followers. Keeps your followers interested. Longer videos on IGTV can keep viewers entertained. You can create a series of IGTV videos, and when the time comes that you have gained more followers and you have an Instagram verified account, which you can see beside your profile name, you'll be given the opportunity to upload up to an hour of video content. But most users today have short attention spans and would easily get bored watching long videos unless it's a tutorial video. It's still relevant to upload videos less than 10 minutes that will keep your viewers interested, making them want to view more of the content that you can offer them. Increase engagement. Your followers can also comment on your videos, increasing engagements on your videos. Using this icon, you can comment on videos that you love watching and are relevant to you as a viewer. As the owner, you can easily engage and reply to your followers' comments, building trust with your followers. If you're new on IGTV, you might use the search bar to look for topics that you want to watch. That is how YouTube works, but not on IGTV. Take note that you can only search for Instagram users, influencers, artists, and people you follow. Searching for topics on IGTV won't work.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.